Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. This is Nourish Khan and I welcome you all to the inaugural video of The Strikers End. So today's video is going to be all about this channel, what kind of content we're going to be posting on this channel, and basically, most importantly, what's with all those hashtags. If some of you would have taken the time to gone through the social media handles of The Strikers End, you guys might have seen some hashtags being spread out all over my Instagram pages and TikToks, which basically indicate stuff like playing on the front foot, smashing the boundaries, and most importantly, passion turned to profession. So these hashtags are basically what the fundamentals of this channel, and we're gonna go in details because I'm the sort of person, if I never post anything without I never post anything if there isn't something that it brings to the table. तो मैं कभी भी वो चीज़ पोस्ट नहीं करती है जिसका जो है वो कोई मीनिंग ना हो. सो अगर मैंने ये हैशटैग्स बनाए, सो आई हैव पुट अ ग्रेट अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम एंड अ ग्रेट अमाउंट ऑफ energy into crafting those, and into thinking what how it can relate to my channel and stuff. So before we go ahead, let me give you a brief introduction about myself, obviously because I'm the face of the Strikers End and all. So I'm Nourish Khan, and I am someone whose identity is cricket. I am someone who is defined by cricket, and to me cricket is not just a game, it's more than just a game. It's like a second language to me, it's my passion. And if I'm the sort of person who, if she is passionate about something, she won't rest until she has achieved that. तो मेरे लिए I have I have visualized myself as someone who succeeds in the field of cricket, be it as a cricketer, as an analyst, or as a commentator. And just by the way, for some of you who might know me, yes, I'm the same person who featured in the Voice of Pakistan Cricket 2022, which was basically a national level commentary competition organized by Pakistan Cricket Board under the chairmanship of Ramiz Raja. So yeah, I'm the same person who featured in that, just by the way. So yeah, I am a cricket analyst, and cricket is something that is, like I've mentioned before, it's my passion, and I don't just say it, I prove it. And this whole platform that you see in front of yourself, the Strikers End, it is a living proof of it. बिकॉज क्रिकेट मेरे लिए जो है वो सिर्फ एक गेम नहीं है. एंड मैंने बचपन से ही सोच लिया था कि मुझे क्रिकेट की फील्ड में आगे जाना है. एंड ग्रोइंग अप आई हैव सीन दैट मतलब I've seen some biasness when it comes to cricket in terms of girls and boys, and I promised myself that I won't let that come in my way of achieving my dream. Because मैं एक ऐसी बंदी हूँ जो कभी अगर कोई ख्वाब देखती है, when I dream of something, तो I won't rest until I have achieved that dream. So this channel is a living proof of it, and I am going to carry on with my analysis because I am someone who loves to talk about cricket. I am someone who loves to play cricket, as has been proved by my experience as the captain of the cricket team, girls cricket team, founder and captain of the girls cricket team at my college and at my university currently. So yeah, I believe that if you do not find a path, you need to create one. Just a heads up, by the way. So yeah, I am, as someone who always believes in quotes and stuff, and I don't मतलब quotes को सिर्फ मैं उस हद तक नहीं रखती कि पढ़ लिया और ठीक है, you get inspired and all. If I find something that really gets to me, really speaks to me, I actually put that as the motto of my life, and I try my best to imitate that in my own life. So this is exactly what I do with this platform, and this platform is a living proof of it. बिकॉज मैंने ख्वाब देखा था कि मैंने क्रिकेट की दुनिया में काफ़ी आगे जाना है. तो आई वोंट रेस्ट until I've achieved that. And I don't honestly care if I get judged for it because of my gender, because I think कि आप जब भी ख्वाब देखते हो तो आपको उसे पूरा करना चाहिए. और you guys might have heard that saying that goes like, dreams don't work unless you do. So you need to work in order for your dreams to work. And as for me, like I mentioned before, I don't rest until I have, achieved my dreams. So if I don't find a path, I'll create one, and this whole channel is a living proof of it. Okay, so enough of my introduction. This isn't LinkedIn, it's YouTube. So let's just move on with the introduction of the channel. So the Strikers End, once again, is a platform initiated by me. It's going to constitute cricket analysis, or we may as well occasionally be joined by some good, by some sound cricket analysts and stuff. Oh, just by the way, if some of you guys might know, for those of you who might know, I also featured in two of the podcasts uh, by the by a very sound cricket analyst from across the border from India, Siddharth, and I featured in his podcast. And oh, by the way, his channel is the SNS Cricket Diaries, and you guys should definitely go check it out. So yeah, I am that person who featured in that. I'm the same Nourish, by the way, just giving a heads up. Okay, enough of it. So yeah, so about the channel, it is kind of my own creation, and it is kind of something that imitates my passion for cricket. And the Strikers End, as it goes by the name, is gives me a sense of independence, gives me a sense of freedom, and it uh, it speaks to me. And मतलब इससे मुझे एक इस चीज़ की जो है वो फीलिंग आती है कि आई हैव द चार्ज ऑफ my life, and I have the charge to lead it the way I want to, because the strikers and it's a very common term in cricket, which basically means the point where a batter stands, and where he where he has a strike and he plays from the front foot if the shot allows it so yeah. So, क्योंकि I like speaking about cricket, I like talking about it. So this channel is going to be all about my analysis on particular matches and particular players, and on my take on particular um, uh, instances in cricket, particular matches and stuff. So this channel is going to be all about it, because I've been told by a lot of people that you should definitely start your own cricket channel. So thanks to them, here I am. In front of you guys, and I'm gonna go ahead with my cricket analysis, not caring if I get judged for it or not. But obviously, positive criticism is always welcomed, as I'm really open to it. So, now moving on to the next part of the video, which is about all those hashtags. So, as I've mentioned earlier, uh, there are three hashtags that primarily constituted the fundamentals of this channel, which are: the first hashtag is smashing the boundaries. Now, smashing the boundaries, as it you guys might have heard about it earlier, but right now I'm going to talk about how it links to the strikers end. Now, see, the smashing the boundaries, as you guys might have already made it up, that it basically means leveling the playing field. So in order to level the playing field means create, which means basically to create equal opportunities regardless of differences in gender and stuff. So yeah, this is what I intend to do with this channel, creating equal opportunities for both the sides and stuff, and being as unbiased as possible. So that is what smashing the boundaries means, to succeed regardless of, to eliminate the indifferences there are when it comes to the sporting world. Yeah. The second one is playing on the front foot, which is obviously my favorite. Playing on the front foot again gives me a sense of freedom, gives me a sense of independence. It speaks to me, and it instills in me a sense that I am I am the owner of my actions. And obviously I it मतलब ये एक ऐसा हैशटैग है जो कि फ्रंट फुट का, ऑब्वियसली those of you who are into cricket, they know what it means. बट फ्रंट फुट का मतलब है कि आप अपनी लाइफ का चार्ज लो, और आप अपने जो है कि कहते हैं फ्रंट फुट पे आके खेलो, और फ्रंट फुट पे आके खेल के स्मैश दैट बॉल आउट ऑफ द पार्क, नॉक इट आउट ऑफ द पार्क. और ऑब्वियसली ये एक काइंड ऑफ मेटाफोरिक साइड पे जा रहा है, बट इट हाउ इट रिलेट्स टू स्ट्राइकर्स एंड इज बाय द फैक्ट कि आपको ये एक सेंस ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस देता है कि यू हैव द चार्ज ऑफ योर लाइफ, यू हैव द चार्ज ऑफ हाउ you take things forward from here. So, and it kind of also resonates with the fact that if you don't find a path, you create one for yourself, and you can't just stop because there were you have to go ahead. If you have मतलब आपने अगर कोई ख्वाब देखा है तो आपको उसको पूरा करने के लिए एंड लेवल तक जाना होता है. बेसिकली इट imitates with that. Now the third and the last one, obviously but not the least, which is passion turned to profession. This is my favorite and it's really close to my heart, and it's actually the most, fundamental, kabhi fundamental pillar of this channel. So, uh, play this last one, passion turned to profession. It means that I heard a very wise person once telling me that you have a profession, that's okay, but if you turn that passion into your profession, you're bound to succeed. And I guess that's really true, and it actually spoke to me, and it is one of the many reasons why I decided to introduce this hashtag as the fundamental pillar of this whole channel. So yeah, that is what passion turned to profession means. My passion for cricket has been turned to profession with this, and this channel is a living proof of it. So it's a way forward, a step ahead in my journey of achieving my dream. And I would really love you guys support for it. And oh yeah, now these this is what is मैंने आप लोगों को अभी बता दिया कि हैशटैग्स का क्या मीनिंग एंड स्टफ. Now going ahead, I would like to talk about something very important, which is this mascot right here. Now this mascot over here, I have named her Noor. And why Noor? Obviously because of my name Nourish. And why did I decide to choose this mascot right here? This is because it speaks to me. See the green shirt and the word Pakistan written in it. It speaks to me, and it represents my love for my country Pakistan. And obviously ये एक ऐसी Noor is a type of girl who is passionate. Her being ready to go into the field and just bat and wearing her sporting gears and stuff, तो ये सब show करता है her passion, her readiness to just play on the front foot and smash the boundaries. So yeah, this is what she describes me perfectly. Her her up, because when I was like thinking of designing a mascot for my this initiative of mine, this Strikers In, I wanted it to be someone who spoke to the audience, जिसको देख के ही लगे कि उसका पैशन नज़र आए. और टू मी दिस होल दिस मैस्केट नूर राइट है कुड इससे ज़्यादा बेहतर मैं कुछ और नहीं डिपिसेट कर सकती थी. बिकॉज इसको आई थिंक कि आप नूर को देख के ही पता लगा सकते हैं कि उसका पैशन कितना है. एंड दैट इज़ एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई एम. Cricket, those who know me really well, those who are very close to me, my parents, my siblings, and some really close people, some people who are really close to me and who like have played a huge role in me achieving what I've achieved over the past few years. They know how much cricket means to me, and thanks to them, thanks to my parents, I'm here in front of you guys speaking to you in this channel. So yeah, that's all about the mascot, that's all about the channel. I will see you guys in the next video with our very first cricket, with the very first analysis of this channel. Till then, see you guys, and I really hope you do give me a little support by subscribing and sharing this whole initiative of mine. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.